I'm back with Karan.
What's up? Nice little flight in. Henderson, what is it, Henderson City? Yeah. A lot of diamonds here.
A lot of diamonds. Alright guys, welcome again. Bienvenue, bienvenue. On va retourner avec Zamimna. Karan,
Hey!
et nous avons fait un autre trip encore là. Et comme moi je dis, depuis qu'on a un petit jour off, on a toujours essayé. Et à l'autre côté, entre amis, et passer un petit temps, et puis enjoy, licence pilote que nous gagnons. Parce que nous gagnons, c'est pour ça que nous gagnons, c'est pour nous capables, faire petit voyage ça. Donc, redébrancher, regarder, nous pourrons aller courir là, et nous sortir Kentucky, nous avons retourné Clarksville, Tennessee. Quand nous sortir Kentucky, il y a les Henderson City, Kentucky. Donc, nous pourrons aller retourner back Clarksville.
How do you say Kimmins is a good pilot in Creole?
Kimmins, c'est un bon pilote.
Kimmins, c'est un bon pilote.
Merci.
Is that bad?
Never flight.
I can teach you Hindi.
Oh yeah?
You say Kimmins to both acha pilot hai.
Come on, say that again.
Kimmins to both अच्छा pilot है.
Kimmins to both अच्छा pilot है.
That's pretty good.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Look when I
Not
get
bad.
to your dad.
Yeah.
All right, very good. I wanted to ask you, why did you choose to get your pilot license?
Yeah. So, I always wanted to since I was a kid. I was always interested in the idea of flight, and the idea of being able to see something from the bird's eye view, which is what we're doing right now. And and 5 years ago, my dad got his, and I figured if a 50-year-old Indian immigrant can get it, I can probably get it too. And now, my dad and I fly together, and it's something that it's a new tradition that we get to do, and I really love it. And it's the most freeing, blissful feeling in the world. The most freeing, blissful feeling in the world. Plus, you get to make good friends. Kimmins and I would have never met.
Yeah, that's right.
Why did you get your license?
Well, it was always a dream of mine. Ever since I was little, I actually grew up near an airport.
Oh.
Yeah. I grew up, I want to say, 10 miles?
Was this in Haiti?
Yeah, in Haiti. 10 miles probably from the airport. So, with that being said, then I would see, airplanes, and I'll be like, I wonder how this thing fly. I wonder, what they do, how they keep it up there. I wonder, and to me it was always fun. And I would, sometimes wanna just wanna know, just wanna know how to fly.
Now you're a pilot.
Man, and now it was always a dream actually that I don't think.
Juliet might contact Evansville approach on 124.02.
It was always a dream that I actually talk about, to anybody, growing up, because aviation in Haiti is not something that that everyone go after, and it's not achievable. Let me put it this way: it's not really achievable in Haiti, It's not something, you know, people will be like, yeah, go be a pilot.
Over 100, radar contact 2 miles northeast of 1 Magdalena Airport.
Do you think it's hard to become a pilot, or and think it's worth it? What's your experience?
I think it's challenging. It's not easy, but I think that's a good thing because the challenge is they want you, you know, your instructor, the FAA, fellow pilots, they just want you to be safe pilots. And so I think it's challenging, but it's absolutely worth it. I think anybody can do it as long as you want to give it the time, the commitment. And I think that if you feel like it's challenging, that's okay. Keep going through. Once you get to do flights like this, it's all worth it. Right. Because right now we don't feel this is a challenge because we've been trained properly. You know?
Right.
The thing I like most as a pilot is opportunities like this. Hopefully you can show the video of what we're seeing right now, but there's really no other way to see these types of views and enjoy them, you know. And another thing that I really like is this is something you have to earn, and I think Kimmons and I, we both earned it, and we worked hard to try to be a safe pilot. We passed our tests,
right.
And the reward is so amazing and peaceful and gives us memories that we're going to remember for the rest of our lives.